Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring.
Today, we gather to celebrate Black History Month, specifically highlighting Black enterprise.
There are leaders. There are people who are always there, always making a difference in the community, providing leadership for our youth, providing mentorship for our adults. In our community, we're lucky to have Larry Miles.
This organization is more than just an apprenticeship class. It's more than just job skills. It's more than economic development. But this is an organization in the capital city that gives back tirelessly.
It's a great honor to present this to Mr. Ramsey. Him and his wife have had the sweet potato pie company in the city of Patterson since 1990.
She teaches hundreds of thousands of women, including men, about how to live a richer life.
Let us march on till victory is won.
These innovators created a path when there wasn't one and provided numerous jobs and opportunities for members of their community. Black entrepreneurship in America has a rich history that encompasses the dynamic and resilient individuals who dedicated their lives to the economic empowerment of African Americans.